Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Lelit Elizabeth with us in the shop. And I came in for some severe issues with clogging, mainly from scale and mineral buildup, to the point where we had to completely remove the brew solenoid that's on the machine, unclog the boiler from scale before we could start descaling. We also had to siphon a lot of the mineral deposits that were in the steam boiler. So with the vacuum release breaker off, went in there and tried to get as much mineral kind of outside of the boiler as we could. Also, of course, descaling both boilers to make sure everything's running fine. The scale was so bad that it was actually no water was coming out of the group head, which is why we had to take off the brew solenoid valve and make sure that was unclogged and kept normal. And after a lot of descaling, a lot of cleaning of the hoses and fixing some of the valves and leaks on the steam boiler, we finally got to the point where the machine is fully working and cleaned out. So just to kind of show a little bit of the water before I brew a shot, just to make sure that, as you can see, water drops pretty instantly. Now we're going to quickly put our pusher, our spouts at the bottom, wait for it to, there we are. So we're going to do a double. We're going to brew it for about 30-ish seconds. There we go. Around 9 bars. Coffee's coming out nice and nice steady pace. Beautiful. Now luckily the pump's in really great shape. Usually when you have mineral buildups that start clogging parts of the machine, it could be a little tricky with the pump because the pump is very, small, it's fragile. It's not a rotary pump, so you could run into issues with cloggage there, but luckily we didn't run into issues with this one. Hot water tap, working nice and great. As you can see, nice and steady hot water. Steam on, move this to the side. Steam on with a 4-hole on it, so it's going to allow a lot of steam to come out of there. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.